How can you make your own video lessons with just one phone? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, this video is about me teaching you how to use just your phone when it comes to making your own video lessons. I'm making this in response to a bunch of teachers who were asking me kung ano yung mga gadgets or equipment na kailangan nila para makagawa sila ng video lessons the way I do it. And nagulat ako dun sa dami ng mga nagtatanong kasi I realized hindi nila masyadong alam na pwede pa lang nilang gawin ito with just one device. Ito yung kanilang cellphone. If you noticed dun sa video that I posted this Wednesday, dun sa ating Wordy Wednesday series ng Idiomacy, I actually just used itong phone na to for the entire video. If you haven't seen that video and gusto nyo makita yung sample, i-link ko na lang din siya dito sa taas sa i-button, okay? Now, ito ay different kasi I will give you a walkthrough. Basically, film ko yung behind the scenes nung paggawa ng video na yon para makita niyo kung paano siya gawin. For this specific video, I'm going to use my iPhone. Ito ay iPhone, ano ba to? 11 Pro Max. Pero, again, any iPhone will do. iOS yung ating sistema dito. Pero, if you want me to make another video lesson na Android phone naman yung gagamitin ko, please let me know in the comment section sa baba. But it's actually pretty much the same. Pero kung gusto niyo ng talagang walkthrough na Android phone, let me know sa baba. Gagawin ko yun sa susunod na video. Okay? So again, the challenge here would be just to use one device to film the entire video lesson. Okay? Now, let's start with the basics. No? Again, this is my phone. Ang susi dito is yung screen capture na function ng phone. The way I make my videos is I just sit down, I film yung intro video, much like yung ginawa ko kanina, and then pinapasok ko sa gitna yung pinaka-video lesson. Yung video lesson na yun will be made by using KEYNOTE or basically yung PowerPoint presentation dito sa phone na ito habang ako ay nag-screen recorder at nagvo-voice over on top of it. And then I just put that in between. Tapos meron akong outro, minimal lang na mga edits, and then I just post it on YouTube. Again, just using the phone. Yung walkthrough ko naman kayo, papakita ko sa inyo lahat. Some of the things that you need to be mindful of would be, first, dapat merong enough na storage space yung inyong phone. Especially if you're filming a long lesson. Kung mahigit sa 10 minutes yan, syempre dapat may ample na space para hindi kayo ma-interrupt. And if kung gusto nyo talaga na sobrang minimal na editing, try to minimize yung inyong mistakes as much as possible. Para pwede mo siyang i-film ng isang run-through lang, tuloy-tuloy, na wala kang puputulin na mga parts para pwede mo nang i-upload right away. Okay? So, yun muna. Again, I'm going to switch mga views every now and then para makita ninyo yung nangyayari behind the scenes. So, ang una kong i-film is yung intro part with my cellphone. Again, using just the cellphone video camera na built-in. And then, i-splice natin together later. Okay? Okay, so first things first, i-film na natin yung intro. Pero just a quick little thing. Medyo technical, pero hindi naman ganun ka-complicated. If you see dito sa may top ng inyong screen, if you're filming using an iPhone, meron dyan na nakalagay na 60 or 30p. Yan yung frame rate na tinatawag. Now, ako right now, since I use yung aking tools na 60 frames per second na yung aking shots, 60 yung nilagay kong setting. Pero you can start with 30, pwede rin yung 24. 24 ang frame rate na nasa mga TV, and yun yung common na ginagamit. Mas gusto ko lang ng 60 kasi mas buhay. But, kung kayo ay working with limited data and limited internet connectivity, masyadong malaki yung file size kung 60 frames, pwede nyo gawing 30 muna. Okay? So, ako, I'll change it to 60 muna. Naka-60 na ba tayo? And then, i-film na natin yung intro. Okay? So, this is how it usually goes. Idiomatic expressions that deal with time. That's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so, nag-switch lang tayo ng view para makita niyo yung what goes on dun sa aking screen. Ang ating weapon dito is yung screen recorder na built-in sa iPhone. And you can find it normally kapag dinrag down nyo dito sa taas. Ang itsura niya is ito. Meron lang siyang bilog dito. Ito lang siya. Tapos, to change yung settings, you have to do a long press nito. Tapos, may nakalagay dyan kung microphone on or off. Tapos, ang ginagawa lang natin is, naka-microphone on para may audio siya. And then, ipapress mo lang siya after. Tapos, magre-record na siya. Now, if hindi nyo siya mahanap sa inyong phone kapag nag-drag down kayo na ganito, you can actually go to your settings. So, once you're in your settings, na screen, punta ka lang sa control center, tapos customize controls, dito nyo siya makikita. Yan, screen recording. Pwede siyang tanggalin, or pwede nyo siyang idagdag. Kung gusto nyo, kung wala pa siya, hindi siya nag-a-appear dito, pwede nyo hanapin dito sa more controls, tapos i-click nyo lang yung plus na button para madagdag siya dyan. Okay? So again, this is using an iPhone. Actually, this is my very first iPhone. I never owned an iPhone before. So maganda to na way for me to film video lessons kahit na nasa biyahe or nasa malayo. But again, most phones already have a built-in screen recorder function. Kailangan nyo na siya hanapin. It usually looks like that. Pare-pareho sila na bilog-bilog. Yung nakalagay na ganyan. So again, I'm just using yung binigay ng Apple na headphones. Hindi AirPods, hindi anything. Ito lang yung libre nung binigay. So, kakabit lang natin siya dito. Tapos, i-on natin. Just make sure na naka-on yung microphone dito. Tapos, pwede na tayong pumunta dun sa ating keynote. Kung naasaan yung presentation. Then, nakakasa na siya. So, if i-flip ko like this, para landscape din yung screen, mas malaki yung nakasulat para sa mga students. Mas dali nilang maintindihan. Tapos, I'll just go here. Itatap ko lang tong bilog. Kasi yun yung ibig sabihin na record. So, magkakaroon siya ng countdown. 3, 2, 1. And then, I can start filming. Makukuha na boses would be from the earphones. So, the way I do it is basically, I pretend like ito yung PowerPoint presentation ko in front of an actual audience. Tapos, itatap-tap mo lang kasi para gumalaw yung presentation. Ang kaibigan mo dito is yung animations pagdating sa paggawa mo pa lang ng PowerPoint. Kasi kung nakaayos yung pag-appear ng iyong mga information, madali na sa recording session. So, ang ginagawa ko, usually title screen, and then I have yung list right here. Tinatap lang yan. Ito yung pinaka-equivalent nung down button. Yan. Tapos, mag-speak over ako dito sa presentation na to. Okay? So, I'll just show you how I film it really quickly. Tapos, mamaya editing na tayo. Quick note pala, before you start filming, make sure na kayo ay naka-airplane mode o kaya at least nakapatay yung wifi para walang biglang lumalabas na mga notifications habang kayo ay nagle-lecture. Kasi distracting siya dun sa mga students pag lumalabas yon. So, yun lang. Naka-airplane mode na yan. And now, I can just tap this and start filming. Alright, so welcome sa ating lesson on idiomacy. Ito ay time idioms, part 1, kasi maraming mga iba-ibang klaseng time idioms. Now, quick side note sa mga teachers, the reason why I tell students na may quick quiz at the end is so I can keep their attention hanggang sa dulo ng discussion. Kasi some of them, di ba sasabihin nila, ay alam ko na yung iba dito, so hindi ko na kailangan tong lecture na to. Pero if may at least 1 or 2 of these na hindi nila alam, they will stay until the end kasi gusto nila ma-try out yung libreng quiz na yon. Okay? Now, after you finish your screen recording, you can just tap here uli para matapos siya. Tapos you have to wait. Yun yung pinaka-importante dito. Kasi nangyari na before, in an older version, nung iOS, hindi pa na-update. Nakaka-record ko lang, tapos parang napindot ko siya 2 beses. Ang nangyari, yung mahaba na natapos na lecture ko lang ng film, nawala siya lahat. So, kailangan ko siyang ulitin uli. Ayan, nakalagay kasi dyan, lalabas, screen recording video save to photos. Pag tinap mo yan, or pag pumunta ka sa iyong photos, makikita ninyo yung inyong video. And even, mape-preview nyo rin yung sound niya. Okay? And from here, dahil siya ay naka-video na, pwede mo nang start na i-edit. Now, how do you edit your video? You can either edit your video sa laptop. Ang gagawin mo lang doon would be yung video na nandito, i-airdrop mo sa iyong laptop, doon ka mag-edit. Or kung gipit talaga, ang lahat naman ng iPhone merong iMovie na naka-install na. So itong iMovie, you can actually use that to edit your video. And that's what we're going to try right now. So, create project ka lang, create movie. Ang gagawin lang natin is, i-select lang natin yung mga video na gagamitin natin dito, dun sa edit. Tapos, create movie. Tapos, ilalatag niya na ganito. So, minimal lang yung editing na magagawa natin dito. You just have to make sure na nagamit mo lahat ng mga footage na pertinent. So, pwede kang, using this, pwede ka nang mag-cut and mag-splice ng mga lessons together. I actually have a lot of friends na dito lang sila nag-start. Ako, ang pinaka-goal would be to complete this part right here, yung pinaka-lesson. Kung kailangan mo siyang putulin, you just tap split. Tapos, pwede mo nang burahin yung mali. Okay? Tapos, ipagsasama-samahin mo lang siya. Pwede mong ilipat-lipat ng pwesto. Again, hindi mo na to full video on how to edit on iMovie, ha. There are also more video lessons like that naman online. Pero basically, you can do all of these things right here dito sa iMovie. You can even add text. So, for example, kung gusto mo nang nakapatong na text like this, kunyari kung gusto mo maglagay ka ng information like yung iyong Instagram handle, pwede nang dyan. Okay, tas nakapatong na siya dyan. Pwede mong i-edit. Pwede mong galawin kung gaano katagal siyang lalabas. All of these, pwede mo ring i-edit dito sa iMovie. Okay? And then once you're done, you can actually share it. Yan, export project, pwedeng save video. Tapos yun na ngayon yung i-upload mo sa YouTube or sa Facebook or pwede mong i-send sa iyong mga students. Alright, so that's it. That's how I filmed yung video lesson with just one device. Again, if you want me to make a version nito na Android phone yung ginagamit, let me know in the comment section sa baba. If you know any teachers or online educators na gustong gumawa ng sarili nilang content with just one phone, share this to them. Hopefully, mas marami tayong matulungan at ma-encourage. And if you want to join yung aming project ni Dr. E or Number Bender na YouTube Pinoy Educators, you can join our Facebook group. The link will be in the description box din sa baba. That's a great way for us to connect and even collaborate sa future para makagawa tayo ng mas maraming mga videos for Filipino students all over the world. Alright? So again, all the links will be in the description box din sa baba if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I may, join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more information. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell. Marami pa tayong content coming up, including yung mga math and the language lessons natin, logic lessons, pati na rin itong series na ito na for aspiring na YouTube educators. Okay? Thanks guys, and as you always see sa channel na ito, Never Stop Learning. Adja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.